Bonjour, I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making my cream of Rutabaga carrot soup with maple syrup. Incredibly flavorful, this comforting soup is perfect for the season. So let's get cooking. In a Dutch oven over medium heat, we'll add butter and vegetable oil. I'm using canola. When it starts sizzling, we'll add yellow onions, 4 cups of rutabaga, and the same with carrots. We'll stir to blend and then generously season with ground sea salt. We'll cook the veggies for 10 minutes, stirring often. A few minutes later, we'll add minced ginger as well as pressed garlic. This time, we'll saute for only 1 minute. To this, we'll add Italian seasoning. By the way, to get my homemade blend, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. And then cayenne pepper for a little heat. We'll mix them in and cook for 1 more minute before adding freshly ground mixed peppercorns. Now, I like my pepper a lot, but use as much or little as you want. So we'll just give a quick stir and then pour in the low-sodium chicken broth, although vegetable broth can be another option. We'll blend everything together, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll cover and reduce the heat to medium-low. We'll let it simmer for 30 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Alright, so half an hour later, we'll test to see if they're done. Otherwise, we'll cook for another 5 minutes. See, the rutabaga is just fine and so are the carrots. We'll now pour in the heavy cream and also some maple syrup. Yum! Of course, we'll stir until incorporated, turn the heat to medium, and bring the mixture to a simmer. We'll cook uncovered for 5 minutes. When time is up, using an immersion blender, we'll process until the mixture is smooth. If you're using a regular blender, scoop up a small amount, put the lid on, and cover with a dish towel while holding the lid so it doesn't splash out all over the place and burn you. Okay? After the mixture is nice and smooth, we'll taste and adjust the seasonings if needed. We'll spoon the soup into warm bowls, drizzle on some heavy cream, and garnish with crumbled cooked bacon and fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our cream of rutabaga carrot soup with maple syrup. Tasty and satisfying, this is a great recipe to enjoy during the colder months of the year. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!